Today I have SENNHEISER Momentum TWS headphones, and I'm going to show you how can you easily enable fit test. At first you have to open your app, and then scroll a little down so that you can see fit test. You just have to click on it, and now you just have to wear these headphones and put them in your ears. Now you just have to click start fit test and wait a moment. Here we can adjust the volume to adjust it to a comfortable level. Now I have to click continue. And now we have to click done, and as you can see, we have good fit. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.